Okay. And NTR sir, firstly, welcome to Mumbai and welcome to Hindi cinema
Thank
with
you.
RRR.
Thank you so much.
So my question to you is, do you believe an SS Rajamouli film is the perfect vehicle for any actor to, go to a pan-India film? Because after this, your lineup are all, multilinguals, be it Kotala, Shiva, or the other films, Prashant, Neel, all the... So do you think this is the perfect vehicle for you to enter into this space?
Absolutely. Why not? Seriously, absolutely.
And,
Yeah, it's like, especially when you see, let me not talk about the business aspect in this, but as an actor, for me, Rajmouli has been one director who's always satisfied my thirst of wanting to do something new. Something, an actor should not be very comfortable. He should not. And Rajmouli is one of the very, very, very few directors who's tickled that part in me. It's not only the films he does with me, but in general also, when we discuss, he's been a very close friend for a very long time in my life. And when I discuss scripts, he's this person in my life who pushes me to get out of my comfort zone. And as you said, being a part of Triple R has really opened out a lot of doors for me as an actor. I'm very happy to accept it also.
thank you so much and looking forward.
Thank you, Umesh. Thanks a lot.
I don't think so. I don't think there is any space that he's not comfortable with. He's lying.
You have to not dedicate dates, you have to dedicate years to that movie. It is
Basically dedicating your whole lifetime.
yes. So between Aravinda Samhita and then now this is coming RRR, how many movies that you were offered and you had to let it go by because this is too special?
I was offered only one movie, Triple R. Do you think even someone would even dare come up and ask for your dates when Rajamouli is doing a movie? Impossible.
Somebody may have guts. I don't know.
नहीं वैसा नहीं होता है यार. It's like you just have to. I mean, नहीं. This doesn't happen in our industry when you're working for a movie with Jakanna. You're there. You're in there for a long time, and you have to accept it. The sooner you accept, the better it is. I didn't get your name. Rahul. ब्रदर कुछ कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि पैदाशी से जब we've heard their stories, हम उनकी कहानियां सुन के बड़े हुए हैं, तो जब ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स करने के लिए when you have an opportunity, हम बस मेमोरी लेन में चले जाते हैं और बस you start remembering those stories. And somewhere you feel that you really don't need to work hard for it. क्योंकि तुम्हारी जिंदगी के ऑलरेडी वो हिस्सा बन चुके हैं. So you're playing yourself there. You're not playing some character. So these are the freedom fighters. These are the great people who've become a part of your life already. So you're playing yourself.
Alia?
So there wasn't a special effort for this. And of course, when you have a director like Rajamouli, who is ready to guide you, it becomes very easy. I'm trying here. If there's... No, but if there are any mistakes, please. I'm ready to accept it, but... Thank you.
నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మీ అన్నగారు ఎన్టీఆర్ అన్నగారు మీకు బిగ్గెస్ట్ డిఫికల్టీ ఎప్పుడు అనిపించింది సార్ షూటింగ్లోన అంటే ఆర్ఆర్ఆర్ షూటింగ్లోన?
Okay, his question was...
I understood the question. What was the biggest difficulty while shooting the film RRR? I've understood. Let me tell you, on set before you answer that question, NTR and Ramcharan were always talking to each other in Telugu in front of me. And I was always looking like one tennis ball, left, right, center, waiting for somebody to translate it to me. Now I'll start translating.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
You all were
There were
always-
so many times we really felt that, we should not talk in Telugu and make sure we speak in English or Hindi so that Alia understands what we're talking about.
No, you all were purposely
No,
trying to
that
trouble.
maybe we were rehearsing our lines or dialogues or whatever. But yeah, every part of shooting for Triple R was really demanded a lot from us. As actors, as individuals, we really had to put in our heart and soul for it. Because that man there has put in that much of belief in us, so we'll have to deliver it. We had to. So every part of shooting for Triple R was really difficult, especially the action sequences were, oh my God, they were torturous.
Sir, NTR sir.
Yes.
So, basically, the hook step what we are seeing currently, Natu Natu Nachu. The step has been very much famous in like short period of time. There has been more than 10,000 like, reels are seeing up. There are more hits on it where you see more 10 lakhs of views and likes are there on your completely one that hook step in very short period of time. I just want to know how much time it took for you to practice that and the bond, which because that's quite a kind of tuning with the step. Was it so easy or tough?
It was actually a very easy step. I'm not trying to tell you it's a very tough step. A very easy step, yeah. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. It's actually very easy. But I don't know. It's him who's made it feel very tough. we were, because of the pandemic, we couldn't shoot here in India. So he took us all the way to Kiev in Ukraine and tortured us there. I mean, 18 takes for that step. Purely because he wanted us to, he would sit in front of the monitor and step freeze the step so that the coordination, the sync between me and Charan is like on dot. I mean, how can you do it? I went up to him and said, see, both of us have different styles of dancing. So as a director, bring that style together. He's like, no. I said, it is my style.
Because it was Rajmouli sir's style, na? It was his
Yeah,
idea.
absolutely. So every day, well, I don't know, yeah, even the weather was so, like we were very unlucky. The sun would set at 8 in the night and would rise at 6 in the morning. So 8 ke baad, 9 baje tak, he would make us go through the rehearsal, again start off at 6 in the morning. So I was like, why did we do these rehearsals when you're automatically, any which way is going to take 20 takes there?
Okay, Rajmouli sir,
It
one
was
more question.
torturous.
Okay.
Hi, this is Sarita Singh from FIFA Poos. Rajamouli sir and entire team, first of all, thank you so much for this wonderful trailer. Each frame of it is sure treat to watch. I'm just waiting. मेरा सवाल अजय देवगन और NTR से है कि आप दोनों बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हो, दोनों का अपना एक ऑरा है, दोनों का अपना एक स्टाइल है. आप दोनों का एक दूसरे के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? और साथ ही साथ मैं चाहूंगी कि अजय देवगन आता माजी सटकली बोले और NTR जी उसे कॉपी करें और ये एक परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होगा जब फैंस जाकर के आप दोनों को साथ में देखेंगे.
First of all, I would just like to tell you something.
Don't tell anything. Please.
I mean, it's please do not even compare me with Ajay sir for his seniority, for a man he is. We were kids. We grew up watching his films, and he was our very own action superstar then and even now. So I still remember his entry in Phul Aur Khante, where he was standing on top of a bike, and I was like, yaar, aisa kaise ho sakta hai, yaar, can I do it? And my mom was like, no. This is movie and it happens only in movies. This doesn't happen in real life. I mean, see, I've watched my grandfather's films, my uncle's films. We've watched a lot of films. But that entry for me was like crazy. So please, when I worked with him, with Ajay sir, it was like working with a guru. I mean, we didn't have the opportunity to share screen space with him, but the small opportunity I had to go and visit the sets when he was working, it really felt very, it was, I cherished it a lot. Seeing such a gentleman and that's about it for me. That's my feeling.
जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा, anyways, thank you for making me feel so old.
I was expecting that.
But हाँ, हमारा काम स्क्रीन पे हम साथ में नहीं है फिल्म में, बट शूटिंग के वक्त इन्होंने विजिट किया था, and it was we had a great time. We had lunch together and it was lovely.
Atamaji Satakli.
साथ में नहीं, I'll say you repeat. Atamaji Satakli, I did this.
Atamaji Satakli. That's from Singham, right?
ठीक है.